guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Monkeys in the Backrooms, or Monkey in the Backrooms. I don't know why, but up here it says Monkeys in the Backrooms, and up here it says, down here it says Monkey in the Backrooms. Huh, weird. But we're just going to call it Monkeys in the Backrooms for now, even though, yeah, I like Monkeys in the Backrooms. So guys, we are gonna be like trying to find the exit, and there is an exit.
Hey you people! I found the exit. Follow me.
All right, let's see if this dude was lying or not. If he found the exit, he's pretty Sigma. Oh my god, you are Sigma! Oh, alright. That was pretty fast. We found the... Wow. Thanks. You are pretty Sigma. And by the way, I'm recording, so...
I don't know when it's coming out, but...
Bro.
You know the monster can't get you in there? If the monster can't...
I hear the monster!
Okay, don't...
Ah! Fatty. I bet you're lost, bud!
Are you a YouTuber?
Yo! I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. I have like 2-point-something K. I have 2-point-something K.
Come here.
Alright.
When I showed you the exit, bro, if you go inside of it and the monster's chasing you,
yeah, I know. He can't get you inside of here. I've watched a video on it, but since that was so short, and bro, thank you so much for telling me where it is. You're pretty Sigma. Is it AI? AI, right? Is your name? Shout out to AI, bro. Yeah. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you can shout out. Do you have a YouTube channel or no?
Well, but the graphics of this game is kind of good.
Yeah.
It's because we have dog arms and we can run very fast.
You can run very fast. Alright, so we're just gonna walk around, I guess.
You're literally like 5 years old right now.
We're just gonna walk around, I guess. So we just gotta watch out for the monster. I love playing this game.
I remember this. Guys, I think I remember this.
Yo, there's a dead body back here. The monster's somewhere.
Wait, I remember something.
Oh, yo, we made it back. Oh, there's a monster. Monster? Oh, he's in the wall. What? What? I'm so confused.
I don't see the monster stuck right there. I think so. Who's the YouTuber?
Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. So this is the monster. Looking pretty ugly. My monster's in the wall. My monster's right here. He's like in the wall. Wait a sec. Open the door. Open the door. Yo, I'm gonna rejoin. Wait, what server is this? What server is this? What server is this?
Server 2.
Alright, wait a sec. I'm back. Let's see if my... No, it didn't fix. He's in the wall for me.
Guys, I know where he is. I know where he is.
3. So, guys, we gotta... Alright, so the monster fixed. Alright, the monster should have fixed. I fixed him. He should be good now. Where'd the AI do? No, where'd he go?
Are you the YouTuber? Yo, where's Angel? Skibbity!
No. Hey, you're still here, right? What's up?
Yeah.
I'm here.
Guys, he's stuck in here.
Where is he? Where's the monster? You know? Yo! I'm recording!
Okay.
I'm sending that! I'm sending that to the Discord! Bro.
I didn't leave.
AI! Yo! Let's go! So let's go! Okay, let's play around, guys. Let's play. Pretty Sigma! By the way, if you're wondering, the escalate. Where you at? Where you at? Where is he?
Where'd he go? Billy! Billy!
Yeah.
Billy, come here. You gotta join a server that they don't know where we're going.
Alright.
You can't hear us. We're going to server.
5.
Server. Yeah, 5.
Yo, right here. Come on.
Bro, we're alone.
No, there's people over here. I heard people. Yep, there's a person right here. See? Yo.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Oh! Yo, the monster's right inside of this dude.
Billy! Backers fast force. Billy,
Oh!
come here.
Yo. You like pee-pee?
Billy, come on, everybody. Bro, come on. We didn't say. Nah, you guys go back. Whoa, we didn't call you.
Bro, we're not.
Hey!
Go.
Alright.
What do you.
Go to server 2.
Server 2, go.
Yeah.
Go to server 2.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Run!
Go. Go. He's gonna get it.
Mo's gonna try to kill us.
He's gonna chop us up for breakfast. Come on.
Bro, I think
Alright, so guys. Woohoo! Yo. AI, do you remember where the exit is? Do you know where the exit is?
yeah, we have to run there quick.
Yeah. Go to the exit. Go to the exit.
Yeah. Bro, stop following us!
No, go to the exit. Go to the exit. Go to the exit.
I still can't hear him.
Run very fast.
Oh yeah, it's down here. I don't remember where it was, but it's somewhere down here. Yo.
That the exit is right. Wait, no, it's right here. You gotta click this, and it's opening up. Psych! Bro, come on.
I know where it is. We just passed it.
Who cares what it is? Yeah, there's gonna be people.
Yo, where is it? Yo. Am I retarded or something? Oh, there it is. There it is. Alright. That's the exit again. Bro, just come over here, bro. AI. Yo, AI, just come over here, bro. Who cares? Come here. Just go to the exit. Who cares? Where the? Over here! Bro, hey, hi, bro. Come on, just take him over here. It's fine.
So, wait, no.
It's over here.
Let's go. I help.
Yay. Alright, guys. So that's going to be the end of the video. We played around in the game. We met this Sigma person of the Sigmas. And they said the next. Oh, in here. Go! Get in!
It's nothing.
Get in! No AI! Get in!
So,
The next level is the pool rooms.
There's gonna be level 2.
The pool rooms.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be the pool rooms. It's gonna be Sigma. Come on! Oh, he's following me! Oh, I'm gonna juke him. I'm gonna juke him so bad. Ooh. Go! AI, go! Go!
Wait, we should juke. Guys, if you're gonna be hit, you're really good.
Oh, get juked! I juked.
You have to be really good at juking. No, I'm really sorry.
Yo. Whoo. Get better, kid. Yo. Go! Yeah.
You can literally see with our eyes. Wow, how am I?
Alright, guys.
My eyes.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna die. Alright, I died. Alright.
Oh, come on, help. Help me. I'm scared. Billy, silly Billy.
Alright.
I'm scared to go alone.
Alright.
I'm coming with you.
See you guys in the next video.
Guys, is the jump scare scary?
See you guys in the next video. Maybe the next time we play it, level 2 will be out. Maybe. Possibility.
We all know it's the pool.
We all know it's the because they said in the Phone Monkey Horde Discord that it's gonna be a pool rooms and stuff. Alright, they should add a whole another Discord server for this game. I don't think they do though. Alright.
Yeah, but should we add it?
Yeah, but just wait. Alright, guys. See you guys in the next video. This game, I recommend downloading this. It's pretty cool. Also,
Wait, can I play with y'all?
Also,
Can y'all help me to level 2?
there's no level 2 yet.
My bad. Y'all are doing the video. I'm sorry.
But I'll see you guys in the next video. This is the version 1.0. So I'm an OG. Yeah, I'm Please Simba. And he's Please Simba. But see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.